Hi guys, how can you create this underpainting burlap effect in Photoshop? First, select the rectangle tool and create a few rectangle shapes on your canvas. Arrange them in a layout that looks good for your design. You can resize and reposition the shapes however you like. Once you're happy with the arrangement, hold the Shift key and select all the rectangle shape layers. Right-click and choose Merge Shapes. Now select your background image and press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate copy. Drag this copied layer above the merged shape layer and right-click to select Create Clipping Mask. Next, go to Filter Blur, Gaussian Blur, allow to create Smart Object, and set the radius to 8.8 pixels, then press OK. Now open Layer Styles, then Blending Options and enable Stroke. Use the following settings. Set opacity around 50 or less. You try different positions but outside looks much beautiful than others ones. I think a size of around 1 or less than 4 looks best, but feel free to adjust it to match your design. Press OK. Next, select the clipped image layer and go to Filter Gallery. Artistic Underpainting. Use these settings: brush size 6 and texture, coverage 16, and texture set burlap, and relief around 4, and scaling 100%. You can fine-tune these values depending on the amount of texture you want. Press OK when you're satisfied with the result. And that's it. This is a quick and easy way to create a unique underpainting burlap canvas effect in Photoshop.